Before we dive into the next tip, let me address a common question I often get. When should we start a new chat? And when should we continue with the existing one? My recommendation is simple. Whenever you change topics, start a new chat. Additionally, if the chat history extends beyond 20 conversations, it's a good idea to start fresh with a new chat. This helps keep the responses relevant and the AI's understanding focused. Now, here's a cheat tip that cleverly combines the strategies we've discussed so far: clear, specific, and concise questions, iterative prompting, and rephrasing. This tip will help you make the most out of every interaction. Let's create a new chat and rename it as Prompt Help. In this chat, we'll ask the AI to assist us in crafting better prompts. Here's how you can do it. I am new to prompting, and I want you to help me write prompts that are clear, concise, and specific. If my question is vague or needs rephrasing, change the question. If my question does not have enough details, ask me to clarify, one question at a time. This setup turns the AI into your personal prompt helper, guiding you to refine and perfect your questions. Testing the prompt helper. Let's give our new prompt helper a try. I'll start with a simple question. What is the color of the sky? Not bad, right? The AI has provided a response, and if needed, it might even suggest a better way to phrase the question. Now, let's test it with something more vague. I'll type the word president. As expected, the word president is quite broad. Let's see how our prompt helper narrows it down and asks for clarification. Now that you've seen how the prompt helper works, I encourage you to make it your own. Update the initial prompt, make modifications, and personalize it to suit your needs. The more you tweak it, the more helpful it will become for you. Finally, think about what other helpers you might want to build. What kind of support would enhance your prompting skills or make your interactions smoother? The possibilities are endless.